Please, everybody, 15 years old, your name, please. Let's go to the people of our best ladies, right, but so good, no.
Let's welcome the host for this day. At hindi tayo candidate, Sir Jeff, ha? So, mag-iwan natin sila. Good afternoon, Naugao High School!
My question is, what qualities or traits does the title holder of this event should have? Unang-una sa lahat, the title holder of this event must have leadership, empathy, and of course, resilience. Why? Because leadership, empathy, and resilience ay hindi lamang ginagamit dito sa pageant, kundi ginagamit rin sa labas ng pageant, which means maaari akong bilang individual, bilang isang contestant ng Mr. Nangka ay makapag-encourage ng ibang kabataan, mga ibang estudyante sa Nangka High School na maging leaders in their own ways, na maging empathic and of course resilience. Tandaan po natin na ang leadership, empathy, and resilience ay tulad nga po ng sabi ko, hindi lamang sa pageant, kundi beyond this pageant, we can use it. Of course, thank you for that wonderful question. Good night.
If you could have a dinner with anyone, dead or alive, who would it be?
Ladies and gentlemen, kung may makakasama man po ako sa isang hapunan, ayun po ay ang aking lola. Ang lola ko po ngayon ay nasa ospital, nagpapagaling po. May sakit po siya. Mahal na mahal niya po ako at siya po ang gumagawa ng mga baon ko. At siya rin po ang number one supporter ko po. Ayun lang po, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Good evening everyone. Kung may tatanggalin man akong isang application sa cellphone ko, ito ay Mobile Legends. Because Mobile Legends is masyadong nakakasawap ng storage ng cellphone mo. Kahit hindi mo ito ginagamit, tumataas ito.
If you will be given a chance to ask anything to our DepEd Secretary, what would it be and why?
For me, this is a great opportunity for me to ask our DepEd Secretary to this question. I will ask her that I would like to eliminate those bullies in our generation, of course, not just in schools but socially. And I would like to ask
For you,
What is your proudest accomplishment and why?
Salamat po. For me, ang biggest accomplishments ko po ngayon ay mapiling representative ng grade 7. Dahil matagal ko na rin po pinapangarap na makasali sa mga ganitong patimpalak. At naniniwala po ako na may pagmamalaki ko rin po ito sa aking mga magulang. And I thank you. Good evening, ma'am.
You're so beautiful to learn.
Thank you po.
So this is my question. If you will compare yourself to a thing, what would it be and why?
Well, that's a meaningful question, ma'am. Thank you. First of all, good evening to all of you, especially to teachers, judges, parents, and students here in Angka High School. So, to answer the question, if I'm going to compare myself to a thing, it would be probably a white pencil. You think why? Because hindi ko po ipipilit yung sarili ko sa mga bagay na hindi naman ako karapat-dapat. Just like example, natural student won't use a white pencil just to draw kasi hindi naman siya makikita. But if an artist use it, it would probably mean a lot. It causes the image or the draw much better or beautiful. Well, if I were going to be a white pencil, hindi ko ipipilit yung sarili ko sa taong hindi naman ako kailangan. That's all. Thank you.
Who is your role model in life? Why? In Tagalog, sino ang iyong kinikilalang huwaran na hinahangaan sa buhay? At bakit?
Thank you for that question. Good evening, everyone. I am standing here tonight with inspiration from my mother sitting over there. I would like to thank her for everything that she's done for me, for making me feel confident every single day, for taking care of us, my family, and that's why she is my role model. And I thank you. Good evening, po, ma'am. How are you? I'm feeling alive and well. Thank you. That's good for you. If you will promote Angka High School in one word, what would it be and why? Good evening to everyone, and thank you for that wonderful question. To answer your question, if I can describe Angka High School in one word, I would use the word empowering. Why? Because as a student here in Angka High School, and ever since I enrolled here in this school, not only I changed, but my life too. And I can say that because ever since I was young, I used to hide my potential. I used to hide in dark place because I didn't believe in myself. But ever since I enrolled here, I felt empowered. I felt like I could use my voice, and I recognized that I can step out of my comfort zone to be able to reach my full potential. And I thank you.
How will you use your platform to encourage learners to study positively?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong napakagandang tanong. Para sagutin po ang inyong katanungan, gagamitin ko po ang pagkapanalo ko rito sa Mr. and Miss NHS para po i-empower ang mga estudyante ng Angka High School para po mas ma-encourage po sila na mag-aral po ng mabuti, at gagawin ko rin po ang aking pinakamakakaya bilang student leader para itaguyod po ang kanilang confidence po, and I thank you.
Hernandez.
Thank
From
you.
7 Deckel.
Next candidate, number 9.
Matthew Jonas S. Esperanzano.
Next one, candidate number 10.
Ray Alar B. Bautista.
Candidate number 12.
Nathan L. Valenciano.
And candidate number 14.
Justin Z. Catigo. Now once again, our female candidate number 1.
Hannah Emmanuel Obra.
We also have candidate number 3.
candidate number 11.
Kasana Lorraine Nepomuceno.
We also have candidate number 13.
Cyrene Misalas.
Then, candidate number 14.
Niels Aaron Esteban Fontanet. Second round for female contender
Our Mr. Dhaka High School 2024 is...
is Matthew Jonas Escalante.
Congratulations!
And our first runner-up is
Move forward.